एक बार फिर से भाजपा सरकार।
सर निर्दलियों के लिए कुछ आप पे मैसेज हो अगर आपके पास?
क्या निर्दलीय कुछ नहीं वोट खराब करेंगे? निर्दलीय क्या करेंगे?
ये मैसेज आप
और नहीं तो क्या, निर्दलीय वोट खराब करता है, इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करता।
He worked with the parliament for some time under somebody. Just check who is that. So he's some like he's like a doormat to somebody. तो doormats को कोई वैल्यू नहीं है मार्केट में भाई। ये होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए एक बार।
पार्टी वाले कमाई करके अपने
निर्दलीय
ऐड हो जाते।
देखो ये है, कोई पार्टी नहीं, कोई फंड नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं, 7 आदमी हमारी तो जहाँ मर्जी पकड़ लो भाई साहब।
Fair enough.
Please frame this. This is our
manifesto, friends. Our nerd friends have worked hard on this.
I know that. My son was making joke yesterday about you contesting.
Why?
I don't know. You ask him. He's sitting in UK and making joke out of you.
It's okay.
Huh?
There are cynics everywhere, man. भाई competing रैली चल रहा है भाई। भाई देखो भाई क्या कर रहे हैं भाई।
वोट पर झाड़ू।
मैं भी कैंडिडेट हूँ, चाहिए? पेन पे वोट।
This is so stupid.
That was Somnath party, by the way. Hello and welcome to Project Anda. I am Meghnad and I am fighting the 2025 Delhi Assembly elections as an independent candidate. I don't have a party, I don't have money, but I wanted to put my name on the ballot and stand for elections. I have done it. Yeah, maja aa gaya. Yeah, that's the video. Thanks. Bye. Okay, no. In case you missed it, I put up a video on this channel where I documented the entire process of how I became a Neta and got my name on the ballot in 10 days. That was phase 1 of Project Anda. Now you get to see phase 2 about how I managed to lose an election in 10 days. Basically, in this video, you will see that I have tried to do a small cheap campaign with the intention of reaching out to as many people as I could in Malviya Nagar in under 10 days. It's a really short time and very less budget, but hey, as you will see, we did manage to do quite a bit. 10 days ago when I had my name on the ballot, I had many questions like, how do I spend the least amount of money? How do I even do a campaign? How do I organize people? How do I inspire people enough to get off their seats and come to me on a Saturday to do a random activity? How do I use these 10 days I have in the most effective way possible? And can I do a rally? Big questions. So what you're about to see in this video is me just bumbling about trying to figure out all of this. And I think we managed to do quite a lot. Right at the start, on the day that I got confirmation that I'm a candidate, there was a problem. And it's the weirdest problem that I did not anticipate. If I wanted to campaign, I needed... what we got the permission for, so that is what we are doing. We did it yesterday and today also. We are applying for permission for door to door and rallies. अभी तक तो नहीं मिला है. So we are trying. नहीं, permission ही नहीं मिल रहा है. Oh, and plus, I mean, like, unlike other parties, I think I will only wait for permission before I do more. So, dekh raha hu. I mean, I'll tell you. You see, when I was thinking about how to do a scrappy low budget campaign, I did not anticipate that I need to take permissions for everything. The way it works that every candidate has to take permissions from the election commission, municipal corporation and the police to do any campaigning activity. Want to use a car with your symbol on it? Permission. Want to do door to door? Permission. Want to do a corner meeting? Permission. Want to do a corner meeting without loudspeaker? Different permission. With loudspeaker? Different permission. Want to use a loudspeaker? Permission. Want to distribute flyers? Put the name of the printer at the bottom of it and submit 4 copies to the election commission. Oh, and also please take permission to hand it out. Want to put posters on a wall? Yeah, you guessed it, permission. So, I had to make a choice. Do I just not care and disregard permissions? Or do I do a law-abiding legit campaign after I get permissions? If you follow this channel, if you know me, you know which path I chose.
So yeah, we'll wait for permissions now. That's what it is. And it's kind of tragic actually that I don't know, like there was a like today morning यहाँ पे सतीश का स्टिकर चिपका के गए थे लोग, यहाँ हमने निकाला है. Like everywhere you look, they are sticking like things. See वहाँ पे देख, वो देख, ये लगा है, ये देख यहाँ पे भी लगा है स्टिकर. It is there. Then यहाँ पे देख. Like all these walls, there are like so many stickers. Yeah. And these are all private walls. These are private properties. You should technically not be allowed to do this. Also, it's goddamn ugly. Why would you do this? But बड़े parties कर रहे हैं. मुझे भी किसी ने सजेस्ट किया कि स्टिकर्स बनाओ और चिपकाते जाओ. आई एम लाइक नो, मेरे को नहीं करना है ये सब. It's like adding to garbage, where garbage is a problem in this constituency. I just don't want to do it. But yeah, let's see.
So, we applied for permissions every single day for all the activities we are planning every single day, relentlessly. You can apply for permissions through this portal called eSuvidha app and have to apply 48 hours before the activity actually starts. You have to give very specific places and times of where you are going to do that activity as well. First you apply, then wait for 48 hours. Then if you're rejected, you apply again and wait for another 48 hours. We did that constantly, every single day. Got like 15 rejections until finally, we got permission to use our So how does one do a campaign that is cheap? And the first thing that came into my mind is flyers and pamphlets, cheap ones. So nerd friends from this community helped me design 2 pamphlets, Hindi and English, which would introduce me to the constituency. Because let's be honest, fighting as an independent candidate, I was pretty sure that nobody knows me in this constituency, like 0 people. My first task was to at least tell people that hello, I'm also an option. Hi. Yeah, this guy above the nota? Yeah, that's me. Hello. The flyers were intended to do just that. I put out a call for my on-ground volunteers, my Anda army as we were calling them, to gather at Sanjay 1 on a weekend. We did a little bit of data analytics and found out the areas which have voted for Nota or independent candidates, and then we made a plan to distribute these flyers there. Hot tip, you know what is the best way to do it? Well, you need to find a local news agency which supplies newspapers, pay them some labor charges, and boom! Flyers in many houses targeted.
हमारे YouTube के लिए चलता रहता है. First batch of posters, hot off the press. Candidate is sitting on the press. Look at that. This is going to be our main weapon for this campaign, which are flyers. Posters! We have posters, now we are going for the Cadre meet. I think people are waiting. I think I have the politician's curse. I'm late. I have always wondered why politicians are late. Clearly they are doing this all the time. Hello, hi. Hi everyone. Hello. Hi. How many are we? We are 15.
Oh, okay. Fine.
More than
More than expected. More than 3, which is a great thing. मैं आपको और लाके दूंगा, ठीक है? आपको जितने चाहिए उतने लाके दूंगा। तो अभी मैं प्रत्याशी हूँ इस बार इलेक्शन का, आप देख लीजिए। निर्दलीय हूँ मैं,
बहुत अच्छी बात है।
और ये मेरा सिंबल है। कोई दल नहीं है मेरा, इसीलिए मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं कैसे प्रचार करूँ। आपका याद आ गया सर?
बेटे, हम यूट्यूब के माध्यम से आपका प्रचार घर घर में पहुंचा देंगे और हर बंदे के हाथ में आपका ये होगा। आप ले जाइएगा, शाम को शो मॉर्निंग हो जाएगा।
ठीक है सर। We had applied for another bunch of permissions. Most of them got rejected except one, which is flyer distribution. So flyer distribution is the activity that we have permission for. So our Anda army, on ground people, are currently again spreading across Malviya Nagar and trying to distribute pamphlets as much as they can. So this was the weekend activity that we had planned. I think we have managed to distribute quite a lot of pamphlets, honestly. And over the week, the plan is that now that we have the permission, we will print more and we will give more to newspaper people across Malviya Nagar, so that it can be like a, I don't know, like catchy pamphlet, series of pamphlets. We will figure out.
And we managed to make a manifesto as well. Yeah, this is probably the first time you have heard an independent candidate actually making a manifesto. But we took it damn seriously and we did. This is India's first hyperlocal manifesto. Since I'm an independent candidate who is standing from Malviya Nagar, we took the problems of this constituency and came up with a few solutions for them. We put them together and made them public. You can also read it. You can find the link below.
It's so sweet.
That's nice, na?
It's so nice.
That's
I'm so
very nice.
proud of you. I'm so proud of this.
I'm very proud of this also, actually. Fair enough.
Please frame this. Frame
This is our manifesto, friends. Our nerd friends have worked hard on this, and the printer has worked hard to print this. And now we look like a serious contender, hopefully.
We are better than not.
What can be better than having a manifesto? An independent candidate issuing a manifesto.
Amazing.
So over the week, since we didn't have permission for anything else, we did what a content creator should be doing. Made a bunch of reels and started spreading it on YouTube, Instagram, and of course, WhatsApp. Yeah, we had people infiltrating RWA groups of Malviya Nagar and just spamming my videos as well. Like this one. नोटा पे वोट देना एकदम बेवकूफ़ी है. हाय, मेरा नाम है मेघनाद और मैं एक कंटेंट क्रिएटर हूँ और इस बार 2025 दिल्ली विधानसभा इलेक्शंस में एक निर्दलीय प्रत्याशी हूँ और ये है मेरा चुनाव चिन्ह. अगर आप एक नोटा वोटर हो तो मुझे आपसे बात करनी है. मेरे पास कुछ ऐसे क्वालिटीज है जो नोटा के पास बिल्कुल नहीं है. नंबर 1, एक YouTube चैनल. यहाँ पर मैं समाज और राजनीति पर वीडियोस बनाता हूँ. मेरे 80,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं. नोटा के पास ना ही चैनल है ना ही सब्सक्राइबर्स, काफी यूजलेस. नंबर 2, 13 साल का एक्सपीरियंस. 2011 से मैंने नेताओं के साथ काम किया है, मैंने जर्नलिज्म किया है और किताबें भी लिखी है. नोटा तो खुद 2013 में आया था. बच्चा है, वो क्या ही किताब लिखेगा, क्या ही रिसर्च करेगा. नंबर 3, आपके वोट की वैल्यू. अगर आपको आम आदमी पार्टी, बीजेपी और कांग्रेस में से कोई भी पसंद नहीं है तो आप सोचोगे नोटा को वोट दे देते हैं. बिल्कुल मत देना. अगर नोटा को 1000 वोट भी मिल गए और इनमें से किसी को 5 वोट भी मिल गए तो वो जीत जाएंगे. आपका वोट बर्बाद हो जाएगा. उससे अच्छा एक नाम ऊपर देखिए, पेन ढूंढिए, मेघनाद का नाम ढूंढिए, मेरा नाम ढूंढिए और वोट डालिए. आपके वोट की वैल्यू कीजिए, बर्बाद मत कीजिए. बोनस रीजन, आलू. हाय हाय, नोटा के पास आलू नहीं है तो 5 तारीख को अपना वोट वेस्ट मत करो. पेन चुनो, काम देखो. क्योंकि and while all of this was going on, we still kept applying for permissions to do door-to-door, corner meetings, interactions with people and kept getting rejected. Yeah. Then last Thursday, literally 4 days of campaigning left and we struck gold. We got permissions to do 2 rallies over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So it was time to go nuts. It was time to hit the ground and go old school. It was time to...
भाई कंपीटिंग रैली चल रहा है भाई देखो भाई क्या कर रहे हैं भाई ये देखो भाई क्या कर रहे हैं भाई ये लोग कंपीटिंग रैली चल रहा है भाई इससे क्या फायदा होगा भाई किसी से बात तो नहीं कर रहे हो तुम बस शोर मचा रहे हो भाई we get it वो बाट
वोट फॉर झाड़ू।
मैं भी कैंडिडेट हूँ चाहिए
टेंशन मालूम नहीं
पेन पे वोट देना पेन मैं भी कैंडिडेट हूँ अरे पेन पे वोट पेन पे वोट That was Somnath party, by the way.
It's rally time. We are going to go to a rally now. We are going too early, I think. I'm expecting some people to show up. The estimated number is between 15 and 50, which is a very wide, amazing range. So let's see how many people show up. If any of our nerd friends will get up and come on a Saturday. And then we just have to go around Malviya Nagar, make some noise, that's it. And you will see all of it. This has been a long time coming, friends. We have 2 days to campaign and we are going to make a most of it. Today the rally is in Malviya Nagar. Tomorrow we do Green Park. Yeah.
Do you want to rap for us?
No. That was a terrible rap. I mean, they had to do it many times.
Just give us the start. Just give us your MC Meghnad tag.
This is how you feel when you ask your kids to dance, parents. Oh yeah, sorry, forgot to tell you. Nerd friend Novocaine Music did a collab with me, and we made a kick-ass campaign song. MC Meghnad in the house. Assembly की बात कर रहा हूँ.
तू बनेगा ना मुसलमान बनेगा. नेता मेरा नर्डी इंसान बनेगा. सड़क हवा पानी का ध्यान रखेगा. तेरा जम के चुनाव लड़ेगा.
सुन लो मेरी एक बात. हाय माय नेम इज मेघनाथ. मालवीय नगर के निवासी की करूँ देखभाल. नेता नहीं यूजुअल, मैं फ्री की नहीं फेंकता. तो ईवी की मशीन पर कलम को चुनो एक बार.
तुझको क्यों मैं वोट दूं?
Cause I bring some hope to you.
भाई एक वोट भी नहीं आएगा.
Honestly, I know it too. But I'm in this game, I know the rules. Choose me, I'll show it to you. I'm just trying to walk the talk, cause that's what we supposed to do.
No for nota, yes for अंडा. हमको मंगता अपना बंदा. अब की बारी कौन विजेता? दिल्ली मांगे नॉर्मी नेता. भाई तेरा बहुत घिसेगा, चाहे कोई वोट नहीं देगा. गली गली ये सॉन्ग बजेगा. दिल्ली मांगे नॉर्मी नेता. दिल्ली मांगे नॉर्मी नेता.
And now, enjoy some amusing footage from our rallies.
पेन चुनो, काम देखो। हाँ सब लोग पेन चुनो। पेन चुनो, काम देखो।
We met people of Malviya Nagar and had some lovely interactions.
रौनक है वो डिफरेंट है, क्योंकि जो जूते होते हैं ना उनके चेहरे की रौनक दूसरी होती है। बाकी आप जैसे देखो स्लो स्टडी सारी है, धीरे आप यहाँ नहीं बहुत आगे तक जाओगे। जैसे जैसे आम जनता को, सारी जनता को सच का पता लगेगा, फिर एक नाम सच एक हो।
बिल्कुल, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
को तो मिलेगा। ये डालो हम
सर ये आपके लिए,
एक नहीं दो
दो ले लो, आप 2 ले लो और पेन के लिए वोट कर लो।
यस सर,
एब्सोल्युटली, थैंक यू सो मच,
नाइस टू मीट यू।
नाइस टू मीट यू।
अभी तो शुरू
So 2 people can take garbage back. There are gloves, right? So आते जाते जो भी थोड़ा बहुत गार्बेज है वो पिकअप करना है। हमारे भी पोस्टर्स कोई फेंक देगा तो उन्हें दिखाते गार्बेज बैग, राइट? मेनली तो द आइडिया इज कि हम कचरा करते नहीं है, हम दूसरों का कचरा उठाते हैं। Because all rallies, whenever they pass, they leave behind a trail of kachra. We are not those people. We basically
We also
Pick it up
picked up
inside.
garbage that other parties had left behind.
ये सही है, ये अपनी बात के लिए लड़ रहे हैं ना, बिल्कुल सही कर रहे हैं। नेता तो कुछ नहीं होते, ये बिल्कुल बढ़िया कर रहे हैं।
आप इन्हीं को वोट देंगे?
इनके साथ सपोर्ट देना चाहिए। जो अपने हक के लिए लड़ता है ना, वो बंदा सही रहता है। आज की दुनिया में कुछ नहीं है ना, अपने सिर्फ अपने माँ और अपना ये बस, और कुछ नहीं है।
कैसे आप नहीं पेन पे वोट कीजिए इस बार,
क्योंकि आगे
ये मेरा संबंध है और ये मेरा YouTube चैनल है। आप QR कोड को स्कैन करके मेरा YouTube चैनल भी देख सकते हो।
देखो
अरे सुन लो मेरी एक बात, हाय मनी मालवीय नगर के No more Project Anda.
We did a total of 2 rallies, one in Malviya Nagar on Saturday and one in Green Park on Sunday. On day 1, we learnt a few very valuable lessons. Basically that, we don't know how to do rallies, but here are my learnings. Number 1, don't walk too fast. Seriously, don't walk too fast. You see, on first day, I was walking too fast, and after I had passed, a lot of people were like, wait, that was the candidate? We wanted to talk to him, and I was gone. So, we had to double back and do the entire rally circuit again. That was not efficient. That was not. Number 2, wear an identifier. A nice gentleman who made my posters put a chunni on me midway through the first rally. It made us realize that people identified me as a candidate because of it, because of that chunni. Now you know why politicians wear garlands and topis in public. They probably buy the garlands themselves and wear it themselves. They stand out and draw the eyes of the voters towards them, so that when they pass by, the voters are like, इसमें से candidate कौन है वैसे? Oh, that guy with the chunni and the haar and the topi. Got it. Number 3, don't walk in front of the rally. Yeah, ask a few of your folks to go 2 minutes ahead so that they can distribute pamphlets and create some noise. Then you show up and interact with the people as a candidate. People will come out to see what the commotion is all about, but they will take some time. and that would be like 2 to 3 minutes. So by the time they come out and are staring ki kaun tamasha kar raha hai, that is when you show up slowly and talk to people, make eye contact and approach them and do a pitch. Number 5, speaking of pitch, most important, brief your volunteers so that they can make your pitch for you when you aren't around. Have a list of slogans ready as well.
This is nice. रखेंगे लोकतंत्र का मान, पेन लिखेगा दास्तान. And then we can try. And again, it's perfect. It's fine. Like the thing is, your job is to get attention first, and like my job is to make eye contact and see friendly faces and go to them. Okay, so and then like pitch. But before that, you can say कि sir YouTuber, एक YouTuber है. Don't say content creator. Say YouTuber है, right? YouTuber है जो पहली बार elections में खड़े हो रहे हैं. Right? That is the pitch, and that is what gets people थोड़ा सा curious, right? Excited. If you want to do a follow up to that, you say कि YouTuber है, आपके जो MLA आपको साल में एक बार दिखते हैं, ये आपको YouTube पे रोज दिखेंगे. Right? These are all lines that you can use.
See, these are the kind of learnings you will get only on this channel. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber Neta for a reason. These things will not be taught to you anywhere. Actually, in fact, you will never learn about these things unless you actually try it. And since I did try it, I can actually tell you about it. I should start coaching classes for potential candidates, no? Maybe. Anyway, take more rally footage. Yellow.
Yeah.
So you've been following my work.
And always.
Amazing. Amazing.
Ravish, you,
Thank you.
all the opposition.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Then you should be doing prachar.
I'm traveling actually. I know that. My son was making joke yesterday.
About?
You contesting.
Why?
I don't know. You ask him. He's sitting in UK and making joke out of you.
It's okay.
Huh?
There are cynics everywhere, ma'am.
He's not cynic. He says that while he's wasting time with his cartoons of Gautam Media and others. Fair enough, no? Why did you decide to contest? I had a big question for you.
Because I want to.
But you also talk about Anda.
I do. I start from zero, so that everything that I get above it is amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lower expectations,
Yeah.
higher results.
But you should really grill them.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
निर्दलीय उम्मीदवार
बैन चुनो
निर्दलीय भाई सबसे बेस्ट है, मैं बताऊँ मैं बताऊँ कई बंदे पलटी मार जाएंगे, देखना सही बात है। हाँ नहीं ना, अच्छी बात है क्योंकि तीसरा पॉइंट नहीं बने होना चाहिए ना, तो कुछ करता नहीं ये जो बंदा वो जरूर करेगा, तीसरा बंदा वो जरूर करेगा। आदमी ठीक
आपके लिए लाइक सर दारू बांटते हैं लोग, तो मैंने सोचा पेन बांट देते हैं इस बार।
ये तो काम भी आएगा,
काम भी आएगा। एग्जैक्टली
काम भी आएगा।
और सर लाइक वही है कि आप ऊपर से नाम पढ़ते हो ना, इस बार नीचे से पढ़ना। और मैं एक यूट्यूबर भी हूँ।
चाहते हैं भाई हम कोई नया आदमी है, कोई रोज
प्लीज सर प्लीज,
उनको चाहते हैं
इसीलिए खड़ा हुआ। मेरी तो कोई पार्टी नहीं है। मैं तो ऐसे ही हूँ। लाइक आप ही मेरे बॉस हो।
हौसला कर रहे हो।
एग्जैक्टली। नहीं मैम, सीधी बात है, देखो कि अगर आप पार्टी वाले को वोट देंगे तो वो मोदी जी की, केजरीवाल की, एसपी सुनेंगे, उनके वो बॉस है। मेरी तो पार्टी नहीं है, तो मैं आप ही की सुनूंगा।
आगे आगे तो आप नहीं करना है हमारा काम।
जी बिल्कुल, एग्जैक्टली। यस
जनरेशन आए।
यस एब्सोल्युटली, बट प्लीज डू कंसिडर। थैंक यू। और कुछ नहीं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लेना।
राइट राइट।
बैन चुनो It's the heart. It's the heart. It's the heart.
तो नोटा से ऊपर देखिए यार इस बार 100%. Yeah, please support. Yeah. Also, like I have my QR code here. तो मैं यूट्यूबर हूँ। बाकी क्या है, मेरे साल में एक बार दिखते हैं, मैं रोज दिखूंगा, मतलब इतना दिखूंगा कि पक जाओगे आप।
आपकी बात निर्दलियों की सरकार। ओके, धन्यवाद। निर्दलीय, सॉरी निर्दलीय उम्मीदवार।
देखो
पेन चाहिए?
साधारण आदमी, कोई पार्टी नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं। बताओ फिर। और ये होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए एक बार।
पार्टी वाले भी कमाई करके अपने
निर्दलीय
ऐड हो जाते हैं।
देखो ये है, कोई पार्टी नहीं, कोई फंड नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं, सात आदमी है हमारी। तो जहाँ मर्जी पकड़ लो भाई साहब, और वहाँ जाओगे, वहाँ 4 से मिलोगे भाई साहब, सबसे मिलना है हमें।
सब तो है ही नहीं करना है।
सर है ही नहीं, सर नहीं है,
मीटिंग
मीटिंग में बाद में बात करना, ये मसला है। तो ऐसे आदमी को लाना चाहिए। और तब क्या,
तो सारी ये मर रहे हैं।
अभी आगे खुलेंगी।
सही बात। चुनाव चिन्ह क्या है?
पेन।
अच्छा पेन है। अच्छा, वैसे इन्हीं को देंगे और किसी को देंगे नहीं। हमारी पार्टी।
While other parties distributed daru and paisa and God knows what, we distributed pens.
लोग दारू बांटते हैं हम।
नहीं
ये ज्यादा काम आएगा।
अरे कलम हाथ में पंचमी है, कलम हाथ में आ जाए ना तो बस सब
हो जाएगा।
कुछ भी कर सकता है।
इसे गाना स्पेशल
हाँ।
पंचमी कल वैसा कल
हाँ बिल्कुल सही बात है।
सरस्वती माँ का, सरस्वती माँ का।
ब्लू फॉर ऑरेंज। जिसको वोट नहीं देना उसको भी वोट नहीं देना, बस पेन को वोट देना है ना। ऑरेंज को ना ब्लू को। थैंक यू सो मच।
काम देखो, काम देखो, वोट फॉर मेघनाथ।
I'm an independent candidate, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, पेन ले लीजिए हमारा।
And finally, we made a friendly visit to the BJP office as well. We got some mixed reactions.
मैं एक बार पहले भी आ चुका हूँ यहाँ पे, दूसरी बार आ रहा हूँ।
अगर वन साइडेड मैच हो, ना खिलाड़ी को मजा है ना दर्शकों को मजा है। बिल्कुल।
पेन, हाँ पेन दे दो। आप कमल लो। हाँ बिल्कुल, थैंक यू। एक्सचेंज ऑफर, आई लाइक दैट। यस, आई लाइक दैट।
पॉलिटिक्स की
जी जी बिल्कुल।
एक बार सर इसको आपको सबसे बड़ा आने वाली 5 तारीख को भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कमल का फूल का बटन दबाकर भाई सतीश उपाध्याय को भारी से भारी मतों से विजयी बनाना है और मालवीय नगर को, ग्रीन पार्क को, सबको चमकाना है। एक बार फिर से भाजपा सरकार।
सर निर्दलियों के लिए कुछ आप पे मैसेज हो अगर आपके पास?
क्या निर्दलीय कुछ नहीं वोट खराब करेंगे? निर्दलीय क्या करेंगे?
ये मैसेज आप
और नहीं तो क्या, निर्दलीय वोट खराब करता है, इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करता। पार्टी जो वोट चुनाव लड़ रही है वो जीतती है। आप बता दो पिछले कितने टाइम से कोई निर्दलीय जीत का है क्या? निर्दलीय सिर्फ वोट खाता है और वोट बेचता है। किसी ना किसी के पैसे से चुनाव लड़ रहे निर्दलीय उम्मीदवार।
निर्दलीय उम्मीदवार की कोई विचारधारा नहीं होती, विचारधारा पार्टी की होती है। जैसे कांग्रेस की भ्रष्टाचार की विचारधारा है, आम आदमी की झूठ बोलने की विचारधारा है, ऐसे बीजेपी की दिल्ली काम कराने की विचारधारा है।
उनके
विचारधारा से जुड़े,
उनके साथ में है क्या?
नहीं अलग से अपना
किसी के साथ भी हो
हाँ।
तो विचारधारा के साथ जुड़ना चाहिए आदमी को कि किस प्रकार की विचारधारा
नहीं है भाई। उसने पहले काम किया किसी एमपी के अंडर में, आप इंक्वायरी कर लो किसके अंडर में काम करता था बंदा वो, फिर बाद में बताना है। आइडियोलॉजी तो उनकी भी है, आइडियोलॉजी। He worked with the parliament for some time under somebody. Just check who is that. So he's like a doormat to somebody. तो doormats को कोई वैल्यू नहीं है मार्केट में भाई।
Woof! What a roller coaster. See this? Yeah, it's voting day today. As I record this, in the morning, I went and voted for myself. Yeah, I can proudly say that I voted for myself today. I can't even describe that feeling in words, to be perfectly honest, but you know what? At the end of the day, I'm proud of myself. I am. I'm proud of myself for doing this whole thing and standing up for elections and just bumbling about and doing something. Yeah, I don't know what the result is going to be 3 days later. I personally have zero expectations. And anything above zero, well, it's a win for me. Okay, maybe it's not zero. At least I get one vote. This one! I know. People watching this must be laughing, dismissing Project Anda as a joke campaign, probably saying ye kaun sa chomu aadmi hai, kya hi karta rehta hai, whatever, thinking about how naive I am to do this, etc, etc. I get it. Anonymous people on the internet who have nothing better to do with generally sad lives tend to look at others doing things, doing interesting things, and then personally feel terrible about it for some reason. You will see a lot of them in the comments below as well. You will see a lot of them appear on the live stream that I will do on the 8th while I watch my own result and failure and how I lost the elections. You will see it. But you know what? I don't give a shit. I don't. If you have decided to be cynical, angry, and sad as a person, that's your problem, not mine. Go back to your caves and cubicles and whatever, because what I'm about to show you next will actually hurt you. Just take a look at these faces. These are the faces of people who showed up. This is my community. These are my nerd friends. There were countless people out there who were cheering me on. They were texting me to wish me good luck or even silently looking at all this thing that I was doing and feeling happy about it, feeling hopeful. Because you know what? Being a cynic is kinda easy. It's very easy actually. It means that you see something happening, you dismiss it as if, "Arey, ye kuch badalne wala nahi hai," and then you turn and walk away and go back to your cave. It means you don't want to put in the work to even try to change it. And it also means that you have kind of given up on yourself and society in general. But today I can proudly say this. My nerd army are not those people. They are not cynical. They are people who are hopeful. They still love this country. They see all the problems around it. They are not blind to it, but they still want to fix things. They want to fight for democracy because they believe in democracy. And they want to spread some cheer in the world while they are at it. Listen, we have enough toxic, shitty politicians out there. We have enough toxic parties out there who are ruining everything that is political. My nerd army and me, we try not to do that. We try to keep it cheerful. Because why not? Kisne roka hai? In conclusion, to everyone who is here, to everyone who followed this journey over the last 20 days, thank you for watching Project Anda. And in case you're wondering what I'm going to do next, well, honestly, I don't know. I genuinely don't. I have a lot of thinking to do. I have a lot of ideas, but I can tell you this much. This was just the beginning. We got our anda. I think it's time to make an omelette out of it. And I assure you that omelette is going to be goddamn bloody delicious. Trust me on that. Thank you so much friends for watching this series. There will be some more videos coming after this for Project Anda. Those will be basically my insight videos, essentially all the learnings that I have had over the 20 years. I want to go a little deeper into each of them, like permissions क्यों लगते हैं, पैसा कैसे खर्च करती है. I have an entire expense register now filled with some expenses that I managed to get. उसमें क्या experience आया? Lots of things. I will do a lot of those things over my live streams. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do support my work. We also have merchandise. We have a website called www.bunchofmerch.com. You can go and buy some fun merch to support my work. I would really appreciate any kind of support that you can give me. Oh, also today I'm releasing this video on the 8th. The result is going to be there, so I will be streaming it. This is going to be quite something because I would probably be the first candidate ever to look at my own sad ass result of me losing elections and then sort of reacting to it with a bunch of people watching and trolling me simultaneously. So that would be something. So yeah, see you on the 8th. Live stream time. Do subscribe. Bye bye.